Hello, welcome. This is Elvis Amoako, a chartered accountant. I'm going to help us go through the principle of corporate reporting. We've been doing this over the last 40 years at the Institute of Chartered Accountants, and we've been doing what we've been talking about practically so you know what we are talking about. The corporate report is simply about reporting or doing accounting and application of financial reporting standards at the highest level. And so we're here to help you get a grasp of the principles and how they are applied practically. We've been doing it in such a way that we assume ourselves in the position of the students. We are going to write the exams with you. So even after the classroom, anytime, if you have any question, reach out to us. In case we are not able to get through to us, we'll definitely get back to you to help you with anything that you don't understand. Once you are done and through with the exams, we are part of the process and we won't leave you hanging. We are going to give an outline of what we're going to be doing as far as the course is concerned. First, we're going to look at a number of the standards. You agree with me that the timetable normally for the exams is normally so short that we are not able to do all the standards you're supposed to be doing. But fortunately enough for me and for yourself, there are a number of them that you have done at the level 2, which are not so much involving. So at this level, we assume knowledge of those, and we concentrate on the very technical areas and the standard that we need. We understand we will need help from us. So we're going to assume that IS 2, which is inventory, IS 16, which is PPE, those are elementary, and we have that reasonable assurance that we are okay with those. That notwithstanding, any assumption that we make here that's not appropriate, let me know. And at personal levels, we will help you to come to speed with the rest of the class. So this is the scheme of work and how we're going to go about the whole course. We're going to start today with IS 23, which is borrowing cost. And we'll continue with IS 19, employment benefit. We'll continue IFRS 2, which is share-based payment. IFRS 9, which is financial instruments. IFRS 15, which is revenue, and all that. We're going to actually share with you so you know from where we are going at any point in time. But obviously, if I were to do all the standards with you before we go to other sections, you will get bored from my practical experience. So what we are going to do about 5-6 standards, which I believe and know you will definitely know them, need them in the subsequent topics you're going to be discussing, like business valuations, group reporting, or consolidated financial statements. So after having done those 6 courses or those standards, we will put on hold the remaining standards, address the business valuation and the consolidated financial statement. The second reason why we're going to do that is the fact that we know, in as much as we are preparing for the markets and for your office, we also understand that at this point in time, the main focus is to be able to pass your exams. And so we do in such a way that those areas that are very sure you are going to have questions coming from, we take you through earlier so you can have enough time to go through them as much as possible before the exams is due. And then after which we continue with other standards, which are based on probabilities, which we are not able to predict with certainty. So that's how we're going to do the course. And at any point in time, like I've mentioned, you definitely will get my contact anytime. If there's any issue, reach out to me. We will discuss that at a personal level and be part of the journey until you've gone through the course successfully. Thank you very much.